Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and we are up in the doll nook. And yes, I know the lighting is terrible and the dust is thick, but I wanted to show you some of my Blythes. Anyway, let's turn that around since that's very appropriate. This is maybe 25% of my Blythes. Oh boy, she's really shadowed, but that's okay. Show this one. I absolutely love this. This is from Holly's Dolly hobby. She sent this as a Happy Meal. It lights up this little fairy. Is that the coolest? I absolutely love that. I have it on the shelf so that when I walk down the stairs in the morning from our bedroom, I see her every morning. I just love that little fairy. I have a lot of Blythes. I have Kinder Blythe, Takara Blythe, Good Smile Blythe, AliExpress. Oh, I have a lot of those. These are Streetwise dolls. They were a copy of the Kinder Blythe when they became so popular. And this is an Ashton Drake Blythe, and I have a few more here, a couple more. One has a face up only because someone else had started it. She needs to be placed back in her box. She's kind of fallen forward. So these are some of my Blythes. I don't know, maybe 20, 25% of my Blythe dolls are up here in the doll nook. If you see a face up on these dolls, I did it myself. These dolls were, most of them that are out on the shelves, or a lot of them, have their own video. I love Ricky. That's my one of my little boy Blythes. I don't even know how many I have. This was from these two, and my little Yorkshire Terrier wore this in a video that Tammy Powley, Peacecraft Dolls, and I did, making Cindy Lou Who's out of Blythe. Real proud of her. She's one of my better.
Actually, all your good ones are down on the shelf in the dining room.
I know, that's what I said. This is maybe 25%. You should get Maleficent because that's Halloweeny. And my little cat. This was with Tammy Powley, J Doll. Oh, this slid down. J Dolls UK and Beth Ramsden. We took Blythe and did a cat, whatever, just a cat. And that's what I had done. Here's a little Halloweeny pirate girl. Let's see. Oh, here's some in some Halloweeny outfits. Darren, we got 3 girls. She needs to stand up a little better. I got my hands full though. Let's see if I can get her legs back under her. I'm gonna have to do it when I set everything down. A lot of these were from collabs. This little mini that we made into a baby with the magnet. I did that with Tina's Reborns and more. I love her. She's so cute. That's Strawberry. I've had her for... oh gosh, the pink hairs were some of my first Blythes. Let's show the ones on the table that I pulled out. This is Christmas Cookie. I picked her up so Darren wouldn't step backwards on her. This was from a collab I did with Tina's Reborns and more. We do a green-haired AliExpress Blythe doll collab every Christmas. We have, last year Christmas, we set up this year's, and we'll be bringing those to you. But I just wanted to show her real quick. I have some, let me set her down. I have some Halloweeny, oh, she fell again. Blythe dolls. This was from a collab I had done. We did clowns. You've heard of Pennywise. This is Pound Foolish. This is a Chubby Blythe. My Wednesday Addams, well, one of my Wednesday Addams. I probably have 4 or 5 or 6 Blythe Wednesday Addams that I have done. And then I did a young Gomez. He normally holds a train, but as you can see, the rubber band broke. And then this is Ghost. We just call her Ghost. And when I did that collab, we actually went to a graveyard to film just for fun, and we found a Blythe headstone. The last name was Blythe. So she's sitting on that. Just wanted to show you a few of my Blythe dolls. I know people kind of enjoy it when we show dolls from our collection. This is such a small portion, but it gives you just a taste. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and we're going to do the song Tears of a Clown for our Halloween song. If you know some lines, and especially if you know the next line to Tears of a Clown, put it in a separate comment. Leave a comment and then have another comment with Tears of a Clown in Pound Foolish's honor. Please subscribe to the channel. Sometimes I do really good videos.